Hello, I am Christy of Pack Your Pixie Dust, and here's our room tour of 10120, the Sky Suite on the Celebrity Apex. All right, so you enter the cabin. Here's like a quick little look, but if we back up, we're at the doorway and there are closets right off of the entranceway. We have unpacked. I literally brought all of the shoes. It's fine, but I wanted choices. So those robes came with the cabin and they were up here, but we didn't really need robes. So we've placed them there and we'll have them come and get them. So you can see there's hanging space up here. We bring our hanging clothes on hangers already. Most of them, we've used their hangers for just a few items. And so that makes it easier for packing for us. So we have our hanging stuff. And then there is this like middle bar to if you had more items, but you know, we have our shoes underneath, so. Okay. Here is the restroom is next. The bathroom, I suppose. There is a lot of storage. Hello. So there's the 3 drawers there, but one of them holds like extra toilet paper and tissues and things like that. But there are shelves on each side of the large sink. And then there is like a makeup section here with a little stool so you can do your makeup. The commode is back here. I do like that there's a little shelf there if you need to bring items that need to be used in the toilet area. And then here is the tub in the shower area. And it does have a rain shower. And because the other handle is just like a shorter handle, basically anybody's using the rain shower that is taking a shower. Okay. And then off of the entranceway, there is another set of shelving. There are 3 little drawers and then a set of 3 shelves. Oh, I will note that there are umbrellas in the suite cabins. When we went to Norway, we had 3 umbrellas because there are 3 of us. On this cruise, there are also 3 of us, but we only had 2 umbrellas. Okay, so here is the bedroom of the Sky Suite. And so king size bed, plenty of storage underneath to place your luggage. Okay, this is the shelving unit on the left side of the bed. Obviously it switches depending on the cabin facing, but little tiny cubbies, and there is no plug on this side of the bed. So there is a light switch, but no plug. So if you come over here, that blanket is from the Retreat Lounge. Retreat is what they refer to as their suite class. And I like that because I usually need a little bit more warmth in the evening. I don't know if I will as much on this cruise because it's the Caribbean, but when we were in Norway, I definitely needed it. So this is the other side of the bed. You can see the phone is over here. There's larger shelving units. There's also 2 USB plugs, and there is a traditional plug just above it. What we do when we're in this type of cabin or when there's only one plug is that we take this plug and we run it across the back of the bed to the other side, and then that provides power to the other person's phone, because clearly these ships were designed before everybody had cell phones and needed them to be charged all night long and next to them. So this allows that to happen. Okay, so this suite also came with a bottle of Prosecco. They did email us prior to the cruise and ask us if we wanted it to be delivered on a different night, which I probably should have answered, but I never did answer. So we got it on the first day, and it also could have been a bottle of red or white wine. Now we have the unlimited drink package, so it doesn't matter if we had gotten the drink package or this bottle of champagne, but it is nice to have it for a sail away. Down below, if you can see this little line here, that is actually the trundle, which is where the third person is going to sleep. So my son will sleep there for the duration of the cruise. All right, so here we have the desk area. This table here can actually be pushed in so that you can hide it in that little like space. But I mean, nobody does that, and we are using it. Don't mind the drink bottles because we got some drinks in the retreat lounge prior to coming into this room. This is the additional plugs. So there's the two USB, is it C? I think. Two traditional plugs and a European plug. We had a visit from our butler, the Sky Suites and above. So every retreat cabin, which is the suite class, comes with a butler. The butlers for the Sky Suites, of course, have more people that they have to take care of than the other cabin categories. But so just know he's not going to be like always available for you, but he is available. Okay, so over here we had information for the cabin and the suite. These are like little welcome, this little thing is a little pouch is a welcome back gift. Okay, so the suite also comes with 4 bottles of water. You may notice that one has had some removed because I have drank from some of it. And then there are these 3 drawers here. So this little first one, which I will show you, my son brings lots of toys, and that is okay. And we bring lots of wipes because we love a good hand wipe situation. But the first one is much more narrow than the bottom drawers. So the second 2 drawers are of the same height. And then let me just show you the refrigerator really quick. You can have a lock because if you were in a non-suite category, but you can actually have those drinks removed, but those categories would be charged a fee to drink them. All of these are included. So the 2 large Evian bottles are included, the mineral water included, the beer and the Diet Coke and the Coke. So all of those are included when you are in the retreat. Okay, let's look at the balcony very quickly. I can just do it from here. When we were in Norway, we had a 3rd chair, and on this cruise, we only have the 2, but you can see the table and the 2 chairs, and this is the rest of the balcony. And that is our suite. I guess one more point, there is ample space under the bed for our luggage. We had 2 medium-sized away suitcases and 1 small carry-on sized away suitcase, and there was plenty of space for that. But this is the cabin. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And please like and subscribe for future videos, future cabins. Oh, one thing I didn't talk about. Let's go back into this bathroom really quick. So on Celebrity, they do this pass-through window. If you don't have a child and you're taking a shower, you're getting ready, you're doing the things, and you want to see what is in front of you, you have this window. Like this would be especially wonderful in Alaska, but you can see you can close it all the way, or you can have it open. So that is something unique to Celebrity Cruises. All right, thank you for watching. Let us know if you have any questions. We do love this cabin category because it's like a lovely intro suite category. Obviously it comes with the lowest price and it just is wonderful. Okay.